Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 27 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a liquid animation in Figma. I am taking an order confirmation screen as example of an educational app. I will show animation on confirmation screen when user purchases a course. Let's prepare our previous screen first to apply the animation. Design a rectangle with gray shade and set layer mode to color dodge. And send it to back. Then add another rectangle with fill color black and set layer blend mode to color burn. Send it to back also but above the color dodge layer. Now I am adding a rectangular shape in place of button and effect layer blur to it to get a smooth liquid effect. Place that shape behind the both rectangles we have added in first step. Now add another rectangle with no fill color but an outside stroke around it and a layer blur effect. Send it to back. It will also enhance the liquid effect and give a merging feel from edges of screen. Now I am adding my button component on which I have to add interaction. Now duplicate that rectangular shape we had designed in step 2 behind the button and convert that to circular shapes by adding radius. I am duplicating the shapes and moving them out of the frame for this screen. Now let's design a card or frame to show on next screen. I am simply adding a success message with course highlight that user has purchased with a CTA to start course. Now add that frame to the payment screen also and move outside. Now duplicate the screen and remove content that was linked to previous screen. Move circular shapes in. You will see they are already giving a liquid animation feel. Bring all the shapes in and merge them by increasing size. Move the success message content frame in. Design is complete. Now go to prototype mode and add smart animation with enough time for smooth transition. I am adding 1200 milliseconds for now. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.